Good afternoon, Mr. Taji. This is my math project. So the first thing I did is to found the intersection. The intersection is where both graphs meet. For example, here and here. Then I went ahead and found x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. Then I looked for the value of x1 and x2 and y1 and y2, and that was and if x1 in one equation is one number, it have to be the same as the x in the other equation, and the same for x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. So that means that we can equalize the equations, so we can find the first letter, that is x. Okay, so then I went ahead and solved the equation. As you see here, I solved the equation. I put the problem here and solved it. Here I solved it. Then here in this equation is how we find x1 and x2, so we can put it in the graph here. So then I solved it, and the final answer is x1 gave me 0 and x2 gave me 6. So I went ahead and replaced it in the graph so we can have the right answer. Then I went ahead and find x1 and y1 and y2. I replaced the x's in the y equation with the answer I received in the x equation. For example, here x1 was x was 6, x was x, so I replaced it with a 6 on plus 8. So I solved it, and then I went ahead and put it in the graph. As you can see here, here you can see I went ahead and wrote the equation. I solved it and I put it in the graph. Here you can see x and y. It's the x was 0 and the y was 8. This is the graph number, and here you can see x2 and y2. x2 gave me 6 and y2 gave me 8. Here the same thing. I went ahead with the other equation and it was the same thing. Here I solved it and it gave me the numbers for the bottom part of the graph. It gave me 3